Welcome to Henry's show.
Hi, I'm your friend Henry. Today we're going to do Unit 5, short vowel I. Ip, dip, ip, hip, ip, lip, ip, rip. Yes, if we add ip, we can say dip, hip, lip, rip. Now, it, hit, it, sit, x, mix, x, six. Okay, I will read again. Dip, hip, lip, rip. Hit, sit, mix, six. Number 6, get that. Let's turn to next page. Page 42 in your student book. Number 1, mix. Look, if you're not sure, you can look mix, but in test, please don't look. I'm still a kid, but if I am a teacher, I will just rip it. If I am teaching this book, I will just rip a test because somebody can look at it. So I'm thinking about that too. If I am a teacher, you have to wait many years to be grown ups. Number 2 will be lip. You have to find it to know the spelling. Number 3 is hit. Number 4, rip. Number 5, 6. Number 6, sit. What's number 1? It looks like they're ripping or they're kissing like that. Okay, rip the paper, rip. Number 2, hitting. We hit a ball with a bat. Hit. Number 3 is sit. Sit. Number 4 is lip. Lip. Number 5 is 6. Number 6 is hip. Hip. Why are we doing that? There's no reason. Just learning. Because it's fun. No. If you're thinking that, it's incorrect. Because some people don't know what it is. So they have to know what it is in a picture. It's everything has a name. So we know what it is. Okay? Now let's turn to page. Listen, circle, and write. I'll say the word and you have to write the beginning, the word that starts. Number 1, rip. Number 2, 6. Number 3, hit. Number 4, mix. Number 5, dip. Number 6, sit. Why are you doing that? I'm always asking because you have to know. Because if I say the word, you have to listen. This is listening practice. If you listen, you have to circle. If it's rip, but if you're circling this, that means you're not listening correctly. So listening. Okay? And this is more harder listening. No, it's more reading. Yes. A rip is on the hip. Yes, the hip rip. Number 2. The kids mix eggs. Yes, they're mixing, playing. I think their mom's really angry. The lips are red. Yes, lip. Number 4, the kid hits the ball. Number 5, the kid has 6 ribs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's correct. Let's turn to the next page. Read along. A fun half on the day. Let's read. We're going to read together. Let's start. 6 cats sit on the mat. They have a nap. 6 hens rip the nest. They have a run. 6 kids hit the pans. They have fun. In page 47, let's write. We're learning short vowel I, so you can all write I. Ip, dip, dip. Yes, he or she is dipping a cookie to a milk. I started 1, 3, Oreo. Yes, we dipped Oreo cookie. Number 2, it. Ip is hip. Hip. Number 3 is lip. Ip. L-Y-P, lip. L-Y-P, lip. Number 4 is it. Ip. Rip. Rip. Number 5. It. Hit. Hit. Number 6. It. Sit. Sit. Number 7. It. X. Mix. Mix. Number 8. 6. Okay, so we have to write X. 6. 6. Now next time we're going to do review on short vowels A, E, I. Why are we reviewing? Because yes, we forgot. Some people forgot what they learned starting in Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4. But they will remember Unit 5 now because I taught you. So Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4. Some people might forget, so have to put this things that you lost. This will go back inside your head. So we are reviewing because some people forget it. So if you review it, they will know again. They will find again what we have to do in short vowel A, E, I.